Hey, what's up guys? TMax here. I vlog about language, culture, and travel, and I'm just coming off my 90-day trip around Italy. You can check the link below to see the playlist for that. I made a lot of videos about being there, the language, I had a great time. Definitely check it out. One thing that I do to help me learn languages is I like to compare them to other languages that I already know. And so I speak English, French, Spanish, Mandarin Chinese, and I'm learning Italian. So let's compare these 5 languages and see how they stack up. So basically what I've done is I've just made a list of the ways that I've compared the languages. So for example, looking at articles. Chinese doesn't use articles at all. English, we have 1, we say the. French takes it up a notch with 4, le, la, el apostrophe, and le. Spanish matches them with el, los, la, and las. And Italian wins this round with il, I, la, le, lo, li, and then L with an apostrophe. Just overachieving there, Italian. So for this video, we're going to focus just on vocabulary, and as I'm learning Italian words, I just kind of, hey, how do I say that in my other languages? Just a way to kind of review those other languages so that I know how to say these in all the languages I'm learning. And I've made a list separated based on the way that these words sound. While we're going through this, I'll always do the same order. I'll start with English, go to Spanish, French, Italian, and then finally Chinese. Okay, so for the first round, where the vocabulary words sound the same in all the languages, we have chocolate, el chocolate, le chocolat, il cioccolato, ciaucoli, coffee, un café, un café, un café, cafe. Italian is my limiting language, so my vocabulary clearly is mostly about food. So the next section is where all the languages sound the same except for Chinese, which kind of would assume they wouldn't sound the same, right? Credible, 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 crescendo. To decide, decidir, decide, decidare, 决定. Wine, el vino, le vin, il vino, putaugio. Dolphin, un delfin, un dauphin, un delfino, haitun. Alright, so this next section is where 3 of the languages sound the same and 2 of them are different. And believe it or not, it's not always English that sounds different. Of course, Chinese is going to sound different in all of these though. Beer, la cerveza, la bière, la birra, piggio, butter, la mantequilla, le beurre, il burro, juaño, wash, lavar, lave, lavare, she, juice, el zumo in Spain, or el jugo in Latin America, le jus, il suco, to believe, creer, croire, credere, xiangxin. And finally, the largest section where none of the languages sound anything like each other and they're all completely different. And this is the funnest part for polyglots, trying to remember all these different words in all these different languages. To look, mirar, regarde, guardare, can, meal, la comida, le repas, il pasto, san, apple, la manzana, la pomme, la mela, pinguo, until, hasta, jusqu'à, fino a, dao, duck, el pato, le canard, la natra, ya, shark, un tiburon, un requin, il squalo, chahu, car, el coche, la voiture, la máquina, chiche, now, ahora, maintenant, adesso, shiensai. Alright, so what did you think? Did you learn something? How's my pronunciation? If you're native in any of these languages, feel free to offer me criticisms and praise. I like One of those things. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, I'm going to continue learning Italian, so I'm probably going to do some more videos about my struggles and victories, hopefully. And thank you again for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave comments. And I will see you in the next video. To work. Trabajar. Travailler. Lavore. 工作